Hello everybody. So people were asking for a updated home tour. Yeah, why not? I have everything pretty much unpacked. I don't have pictures up on the wall or anything yet. But hey, why not? Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so right at the moment, I'm in my office, front room. We're still kind of feeling out how to call it, what to call this thing. So let me flip this around. Okay. Oh! I'll cut that out. Okay, so we've got our little couch. This was in our old living room. And then I got a whole bunch of bookcases here. Well, I got two bookcases here with all my cookbooks and recipe books, canning, all that kind of stuff here. And then some lamps, my oil lamps, you know, palm plant actually. And then over here, there's a second one. It's just kind of housing different things. It's more of my plants, air fryer. Still love that thing. And then my desk, which is not clean at the precise moment. Why? Because I'm actually going through and doing some paperwork at the moment. Okay, then we come in here, and here is our dining room. So I've moved the microwave out here. And then we've got the dog dish, which is just full of, we just use it for water actually. And, you know, housing garbage, potatoes. Our recycling. So we've got paper, box board, stuff for the big recycling, and then cardboard, because we can't recycle cardboard here. We have to take it to a recycling depot for cardboard. Okay, in the kitchen, I'm kind of still cleaning up from this morning and last night, but here is the kitchen. I have cleaned this half. I still haven't cleaned this half. I still got to do that. So I painted in here. The color is called celery stalk, and I think it goes really nicely with the back tile there and the countertops. I'm not minding this. I haven't tried any type of canning or anything yet, but I'm not minding the glass top stove. And the smaller kitchen actually isn't even bothering me yet. I find it's actually, I'm a little more efficient in it. That's just because it's all workable space. As you can see, I'm still working on moving things around, figuring out where I want it, but we're getting there. And then you can kind of see here, I'm going to be, fruit flies, I got fruit flies everywhere. I got to redo these cupboards. I'm going to get some chalk paint and redo them so they look a little nicer and cleaner. But I got to get to that. So there we go. There's the kitchen, and you can see there's the color. It's so lovely. And all of our little red items are up there towards the top. Okay. Oh, yes. The color in the dining room here, this is called, what's that called? Fresh Spring, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Okay, so here is what our table looks like. I think it's pretty neat. It's a new table. I quite like that. Water. And then some plants here. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, oh yes, and the color in this room, it's kind of hard to tell the color in here, but this is called, let me see if I turn another light on, see if that makes it a little easier. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. But this is called Pralines and Cream. Oh, there we go, that's a little bit better. Pralines and Cream for in this room. Now, let's head down the hallway once I get this lamp turned off. Okay. Yeah, we have a big dog dish right here. This was Bolt's old dish. Snowflake won't eat out of it because Bolt had food aggression and got really mad at her anytime she went towards the food part of it. So she has her food dish over here. Slightly annoying. Okay, so in here, hallway hasn't changed other than I painted it. Now, I'm just gonna be quick in the kids' bedrooms because they're kids' bedrooms. Here, oh, there's Simba Bimba. Hey, Simba. Jonathan's room here. It is called beige. It's beige. Elegant beige is what it's called. So there's his room. And then, oh wait, hang on. You want to see in the linen closet? Oh yes, nothing fancy in there. This is all the pet stuff, medications and stuff. Towels, garbage bags, towels, sheets, you know, nothing exciting in there. Okay, now here is a white dog. Hey, there's Snowflake. Sorry, that's something we call her. I'm not sure why that started happening. But here is Katie's room. Is that lovely? If I remember correctly, it's called Ocean Skies or Ocean Blues. I can't remember which one. It had a weird name, but it's Ocean. Okay, so here's her room. Her lovely dresser. She is still trying to organize her room to perfection. Now these lamps are pretty neat. We got them from Canadian Tire. The paper is actually rice paper. So she's like, so I can eat it? I'm like, no, don't eat it. It's toxic. But they have this, like you seen I turned this one on. They have a really nice, lovely glow to them. So I'm going to kind of veer this way. They are very nice. And they do go with the ambiance of her room, as she keeps saying. Now we're in Nathan's room. That little turd, oh, he keeps unplugging lamps, so I can't turn them on. Anyway, so here is Nathan's room. It is, I can never remember what it's called. It's that royal, it's a royal blue, but it has that certain name to it. Like I was saying, telling Roger, I want to take and put an anchor on that wall with chains because that's kind of what the color reminds me of. Now, this was my old dresser. The mirror broke. That was the only thing that broke throughout our entire move. And it actually broke before the move because the cats were horsing around and they broke it. But I did get some cork board and I'm going to be putting the cork board in there. I just got to get to doing it. I need someone to help me move the dresser so I can do that. But yes, there's Nathan's room. I'm not going to show you guys the closets. Why? I don't even want to look in them. Alright, so let's head on out. Here I go. Oh! Hey! How cool is that? I've lived here for a month and I didn't even know that was there. Huh. Cool. Seriously, it don't take much to amuse me. Okay. Anyway, let's move on. Now we're at our front entry. Well, what we use as our front entry, this is actually the side entry of the house. We got our key rack there. It's there so that way the coat rack doesn't knock over the keys. Lovely shoe rack. I love that thing. It's so great because I don't trip over stuff. Today's floor cleaning day, just so you know. All right. So we come down this way. Now I have not painted down here. I'm not going to be painting down here for a little while. So we come down the stairs and you walk down, you see the beautiful money tree and a lovely picture of the, I can never remember what it's called, the bridge that connects from to Prince Edward Island. It'll come to me later. But there is that photo. We got that from Roger's grandmother because that's actually where we went for our honeymoon and she's seen that picture and figured we'd want it. And it's actually out of a calendar. It's a picture out of a calendar. It's beautiful. Okay, so here is our living room. We got the TV kind of nestled in the corner. It took me forever to figure out where I wanted it in the room. That's where I want it. I like it there. Our couch with a chaise. I think I kind of giggled. Should have seen the guys that delivered it and he said that. It was just comical. It was one of those comical moments. Okay, and then I'm still working on this area here and this. And of course, Bolt's over there. He's never going anywhere. All right, but yes, here is our living room with our lovely rug. Oh, but yes, so here is the living room. And we have no issues with the TV in the living room being there whatsoever. And here is a rattle. Hey, Shadow. You want to say hi? Huh? Do you want to say hi? No, you're just gonna, oh, you're gonna give me ugly looks. Simba's behind me, isn't she? All right, so let's just back this puppy up. All right, so here's a room that I still don't know what I'm doing with yet. It's still kind of, it's right now it's just the catch-all of things that I still don't know where to put or what to do with. That though, that's my hope chest, and that is going to be, like now it's, well, it's my hope chest right now, but then it'll be Katie's once I get to deal with that. And our freezer, one's here and one's in the garage. And then we walk in and here's our bedroom. Now we did put handles on these doors because I can't open or close them. Ooh, look at that. I gotta clean that. I cleaned the other side. But anyway, I can't open them with the handles they have here because if you look, let's see if I, yeah, there we go. There's no lip. So Roger installed some handles for me so I can open and close the doors. And our lovely nightstands, if anyone wonders, we got those from Walmart. Yes. Our lovely king size bed, which let me tell you, that's really nice. It's really nice. I quite enjoy that. And then, you know, the nightstands. And we've got these bookcases from Walmart as well. They're quite lovely. I'm still kind of working on, I kind of putter with downstairs because honestly it's just Roger and I that really are down here. So I just kind of putter with this. And then the bathroom, of course. All right, we have the litter boxes in here. And we have a broken washing machine and a dryer. That's being replaced tomorrow. The new one's coming tomorrow. Yay! Cupboards, the showers. Or shower, the other one's upstairs. Oh, I didn't show you the bathroom upstairs. Oh, I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, look, okay, and seriously, I now have one of these mirrors. I'm so cool now, right? No, I know. Okay, let's ship on out. I'm gonna flick lights off as I go. Because seriously, it drives me nuts when people aren't in rooms and they have lights on. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna be turning these lights on because like I said, today is floor cleaning day and I gotta clean up all the dog hair. Okay, so now we'll go into the bathroom because I forgot the bathroom. How could I forget the bathroom? I never use it, that's how. Wrong one. Okay, now I did paint this room. The color is called Arctic Sky. Now I went with that because I need to replace that, the little stinkers. Let me see if I can do this. Okay. I went with that color because you can see how the tile and the color, they go really nicely together. That's why I went with it. And it also goes really nicely with the brown. But there's the bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom. I'm still kind of puttering with this one. Sorry, I think I just moved a little too quick there. My foot got out from underneath of me. And I'm not having any issues with the two bathrooms. Actually, we're quite loving it, especially the two full bathrooms. The only thing I'm not liking is trying to clean this tile. Is because I still haven't even been able to get all the soap scum off from the original people we bought it from. I'm still trying to get that off. Yeah. Any tips? Seriously, any? I'll greatly appreciate them. Okay, so that is the new house tour. We are pretty much settled in. I'm gonna go sit down. We are pretty much settled in. Everything is being sorted out. Now it's just, sitting sometimes feels really nice. Now it's just getting the pictures up and that kind of stuff now. The stuff that I can kind of piddle around with. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you again soon. Bye.